Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you people are doing very well. Today in this sessions I am here with another chapter of trigonometry. So it is a height and distance problem. So friends, the problems related to height and distance is very common in today's competitive examinations. Let it be SSC CGL, Olympiad Class 10 examinations or IIT JEE. This type of problems regularly being asked. So let's start solving this problem. So here we have two towers AB and CD. Height of these two towers is given. One is 60 meter and another is 48 meter. So these two towers, the top height is connected by a wire and the angle made by this wire with the ground, that is 60 degree. Then we'll have to find the length of this AC or wire. So friend, please support my channel, give a thumbs up to the video, and if still you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe the channel and share my videos amongst your friends. So friend, we'll have to calculate the value of length of AC. Now for calculating the value of AC means one side length, and we have been given the angle of one angle, that is C angle is given, and we can calculate the value of AE means we have the value of one angle and one side means we have the value of AE. So value of AE will be, if we'll subtract CD from this AB, then we can get AE. So AE will be AB minus CD, and now the value of AB, it is 60 meter. So we can write 60 minus CD, the length of CD is 48, so it is 48. So 60 minus 48 is 12. So from here we have calculated the length of AE is 12. So here we have calculated AE, that is 12 meter, it is 12 meter. Now for the angle C, this is AE is perpendicular, and AC is hypotenuse. So we'll have to calculate the value of hypotenuse. So for making the relation between perpendicular and hypotenuse, we can take sine theta. Sine theta is perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. So here we have the angle 60 degrees. So we'll write sine 60 degree, and that is equal to perpendicular we have calculated is 12 meter. So it is 12, and divided by, we'll have to calculate the hypotenuse. So it is hypotenuse. Now the value of sine 60, it is root 3 by 2, and that is equal to 12 divided by h. Now from here we can calculate the value of h. So the value of h will be, we'll cross multiply it, it is 12 to the 24. So 24 divided by root 3. So now for making this expression simpler, we'll multiply by root 3 and we'll divide by root 3. So here in the numerator we'll have 24 root 3. In the denominator it is root 3 multiplied by root 3 is 3. So 3 8 times is 24. So the value of h means AC. So AC is equal to 8 square root 3. So the value of AC, that is 8 root 3. So h is equal to 8 root 3 and it is meter. This is the answer of this problem. This is the answer. So friend, hope you have enjoyed the video. If you like the video friend, do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching the video.